We're going outside and we're gonna look cute. Because the other option is being outside and not looking cute. And where do you run into people? Outside. And you may not be interested in wearing yoga clothes for your gardening or for your hiking or your evening walks because you just don't want to share yourself in that way. I have some really cute solutions for clothes that let your body move, fabrics that are smart and modern, and designs that are innovative, including one product that I can't even believe. So we're gonna mix and match this pile of clothes back here from Beneunder because I'm really interested in clothes that have sun protection factor, like sunscreen, built into the fabric. So I'm really excited about these. Let's try them on and be cute. Okay, let's start with this sporty outfit. And I'm going to pair everything with my new hiking shoes because generally that's what I would be doing out in the hot sun. Beneunder always has the most interesting little details. First of all, I'm wondering what's in my pocket here. Oh, look at that. I knew something was going on here. It's a little drawstring in case I want to kind of turn these into shorter pants, like if it's too hot outside. They're so cute. So you can do that, which is adorable. This is a great little device. That's so cool. I like that you can choose your amount of ruching. I would choose something like this, a little bit lower, just a little bit of ankle air. Ankle air. This is adorable. I love this. I didn't even mention yet that these t-shirts with built-in bras and they have like cooling fabric. This stuff is great for being outside in. And it's not your usual bodycon athletic wear or athleisure. This is like you can do real stuff in these. You can hike, you can golf. I don't golf, but I could. So wait, let's put these back down for a second. The next thing you could do with these pants is you could make the ankles a little tighter. Very thoughtful, very cute. One other thoughtful detail right here are some vents for more airflow. Amazing sport pants. Not only that, there's this really thin fabric sun protection jacket that feels like nothing, feels light as air. It's just unbelievable the thought they put into the details of these sun protection clothes. Because look how much of my face I can cover up. This is real athletic gear. This is unbelievable attention to detail made by people who actually go outdoors. These are details that you want. So there's a little inside pocket here, and I bet you I can fit the entire jacket into that pocket. Unbelievable. Let's see another outfit. Look at this adorable hiking skirt. It's made of the best breathable material. I love this skirt so much. First of all, there are pockets. There's an adjustable belt. I love the shape of it. It looks like jodhpurs. It looks like a cute girl form of jodhpurs, which is adorable. Looks cute with my hiking sneakers. It's gonna look adorable with this sun jacket. Oh my gosh. Imagine your Grand Canyon trip with this outfit. I didn't even mention yet that this tank top has a built-in bra, like it has built-in cups. So I'd like to show you another thing that I just can't even believe. People who actually go out in the sun invented these things because all the details are thought of. This hat is made for sun action. It has cooling fabric. It covers the back of your neck and your chest area. And if the sun is coming straight at your face, are you kidding me? Perfect, perfect gear. You've got a strap to keep your hat on in the wind. They thought of everything. So the face mask is removable. You can just pop it off if you don't want the face mask. You can even remove the wind strap if you want. And then you've got a cute hat that totally gives you a lot of protection. It has this built-in scarf. I'm always trying to protect my neck from extra sun exposure. This is so functional. If I was taking an active vacation, I would just build a capsule wardrobe out of this. And I always take an active vacation. Even my regular life is very active. I can take a hike just walking out my front door. So I get a lot of sun. But sometimes when I'm out walking, I do want to get a little bit of sun on my legs because getting vitamin D is a thing. But I'm not exactly trying to expose my face. Or suppose you got something going on outdoors like pickleball or golf, even gardening, where you just want to be free. You don't want a lot of swishy stuff around you, but you do want performance fabric. You do want clothes that work for outdoors. And then when the sun gets too much, you want something that looks nice over it. This 3-piece set is so cute. And look how cute this is buttoned up as well. I love this 3-piece set. I forgot to show you the details. This skirt is skirts. Not only does it have this shorts layer underneath, it also has kind of like an underwear layer underneath. They think of everything. And yet it's still super lightweight. This tank has a built-in bra. When it's hot out, you don't want to think about that extra layer. Awesome. This 3-piece set is so good. I would love to pick a favorite outfit from this haul, but I love them all. I love how everything rhymes too. Are you ready to see the item that I cannot believe exists? I know you are. Let's see it. One thing before I show you the amazing thing. And I'm going to do something that I almost never do, which is stand before you in my underpants. Now, this isn't really my underpants. This is a bodysuit that is built into this t-shirt. There's a built-in bra, built-in bodysuit, yet this t-shirt is connected. That means when you have your pants on and you go to bend over or reach for something, you're not going to have any gappage. Everything stays down. So let's put some pants on. And this bodysuit is really long. I have a long torso and I don't feel the bodysuit. I know what you were thinking. Hiking in a bodysuit, I thought that too. But the bodysuit portion is made of a really thin mesh. Feels like nothing. Fits great. And I know you can't help but look at these really cool barrel-shaped, modern-looking pants. Usually athletic pants, they're not designed for shape. But I love these clothes that are designed to have like a modern edge to them, a feminine modern edge. And these pants are not the item I can't believe. It's this. This hat is incredible. This hat is for anyone who's ever wished that they could wear their umbrella or that they didn't have to carry it. I can't believe it. It's like they read my mind. Hands-free umbrella. Absolutely amazing. Really cute purple pants. Guess what else about these purple pants? Little snappy bits to change the shape. Love it. Let's make an all purple outfit. So in order for you to really see this jacket, I'm going to bring this hat back out a little bit later. I did not mean for all of these cute purple clothes to look great with my new purple hiking shoes, but I sure am glad that they do. This one's a little bit longer. And if you want it to be not touching your body, more free-flowing, you can totally do that. But if you want a more cinched-in feminine shape, you can adjust it back here. And now it's got this cute shape to it. And you see this hood here? You see it has a visor on it? I love this stuff. Built-in hat, in case it starts getting a little sunny or a little sprinkly. Definitely made by people who do things. I don't know if you noticed the colors here. And they are not colors that I would have normally picked. But I'm so glad that these colors were offered. And they kind of go together like a really solid action clothing capsule. Suppose I was taking a trip to a bunch of cities or a bunch of national parks. This would be the dream capsule. Anybody who's outside doing active things and wants gear and doesn't want to look like a man. Nothing wrong with looking like a man. Sorry, men. I don't want to look like a man when I'm out doing my outdoor activities. And I'll just speak for myself. Things like this and this make being outside so much more fun. I do want to give you the heads up that if you're interested in these clothes from Beneunder, they run a little small. So before ordering, make sure to check the measurements. And you know, I'm always trying to be out in the sun but still kind of get out of the sun. But sometimes I'm in my house and I want to get out of the sun, meaning when I'm sleeping, I wear a mask every night, an eye mask, so that I can sleep longer in the morning. I have kind of a bright house. And they sent me this weighted, padded eye mask. It's so black. It's so dark, and also leaves room for your eyes so it doesn't press on your eyelids. It would be also great for taking camping because if you don't want to wake up with the dawn, which you do when you're camping, this is great for sleeping in tents. I'm so excited. And now I'd like to show you what I think is the best camping downtime outfit. You know that time where after you've done your daytime activities, you're starting to cook around the campfire, the sun's starting to go down, the fire's crackling, everyone's having a good time. What are you wearing? It matters that it feels great And then if it also looks great, that's the icing on the cake. Feeling great in your clothes is going to make your trip so much better. Look at this visor. Wonderful, functional, adorable. Something that I really don't want to forget to mention is that I cannot even survive without these gloves that I have from Beneunder. I keep these in my car and I drive with them nearly every day. You get so much sun damage on your hands from driving. It's like you're basically saying, "Here, sun, ruin the skin on my hands." And if you ever see a lady driving around that looks like me, this is how you know it's me. Built-in sun protection, little finger hole for using your phone or thumb. They think of everything. So we're talking end of the day camping, and what I would be wanting is maybe a shirt to put over this. This shirt is made of just great fabric. I love a long sleeve shirt as a cover up and just roll up the sleeves. I love the way that looks and I love the way that feels. And I also love that all the way buttoned up. This feels great. I think we're going to bring out our umbrella hat again. Cute, functional, coverage. I love this. Want to carry an umbrella but not carry it? Yes. Want an easy peasy long sleeve shirt with actual sun protection in it? Yes. Want a shirt with a built-in bra for one less thing to worry about when you're camping? Yes. Pants that really function and look great? Of course. Now listen, it's really hard to pick favorites because these outfits are adorable. But I think that this is my new favorite go-to active outfit. This jacket's so lightweight. This white hat is so sporty. I love the built-in bra of this tank. I love the shape of this skirt. I mean, a hiking skirt. How brilliant. Guys are going to be so jealous. They're going to start hiking in skirts too. But if I got to pick another element, I would definitely pick this amazing hat. I can't believe that this exists. But I shall never forget the cuteness of this purple outfit. My yellow gear. These awesome convertible pants. How can anyone pick a favorite from this episode? If you actually get outside and actually do things, then you know these were great items. Thank you to Beneunder for sending these over. And if you're interested in these items, make sure you check my links below. Check out Beneunder. It's like they made these clothes for me and my activities. I'll see you soon.